This is inspired by the looks that we created at the Holzweiler Autumn-Winter 24 show in London, where we were elevating each model's own natural texture and really enhancing this idea of authenticity. Hi, I'm Anna Cofone, Global Creative Advocate of Authentic Beauty Concept. I'm going to be showing you and sharing some ideas and tips on how to enhance and create beautiful textures. The dry shampoo is perfect for absorbing oils in the scalp, so where we don't want to add too much more product into the hair, this is the perfect solution. We can see how the dry shampoo works so well in absorbing the oils, but not creating a powdery or matte finish. At the Holzweiler show, we were looking at each individual model's hair, looking at their texture, feeling the hair, seeing what it needed, how much more could it be hydrated, moisturized, but we were really cautious about not overburdening the hair with too much product. I'm going to be spraying the Hydrate Spray Conditioner through the mid-lengths and ends, just to give it some extra moisture and hydration. Our model had quite a strong parting, and I just want to soften that by bringing some of the hair forward. So I'm going to use the flat clips to just cheat where that separation was before. If I went in and used a brush and hairdryer, then we'd start to get a more manipulated and possibly too much of a groomed look. I can now see that our model's natural texture there's quite a bit of movement in there, so I'd like to just enhance that, but in a really gentle and soft way. So I'm actually now going to spray some of the Flawless Primer, but before that, I want to show you a trick of how to create more texture in the hair without necessarily having to use heated tongs. What's also one of my go-to tools are these small double-pronged silver clips, basically pinching the hair. So you can see I'm putting the clips in vertically, and I'm now going to stagger them throughout the mid-lengths and ends, almost like in a brick pattern. This is a really easy technique for anyone who's got type 1 hair, so straight hair, to type 2, so slightly wavy hair. This is how you would create some movement and some control in the hair, and whilst you're drying it, it also avoids the hair expanding too much. Where we've used the clips to pinch the hair with heat and with the support of the Flawless Primer, that will also softly manipulate the hair and give us some like little kinks, which we'll see after it's been dried. Once they're removed, you can see how we've just got this really beautiful, natural, but lived-in texture. It's very cool, girl. There's nothing uniform about this look. So just wherever you see areas of the hair that have less movement, just add that in with some extra heat. The Flawless Primer has heat protection, so I'm not using any other products now on the hair. My top tip when creating a texture like this and using the tongs is to make sure that the tongs are placed in vertically rather than horizontally, and as you wrap the hair around the barrel, you twist it. And then as you pull the hair out, just slightly stretch it out a little bit so that you get less of this wave. Our finished look inspired by the Holzweiler Autumn-Winter 24 show at London Fashion Week. We really wanted to elevate our model's own natural texture and used hero products like the Airy Texture Spray, the Flawless Primer, just to give us a little bit of lift at the roots. And we've just worked in a very simple, loose texture using silver clips and also heated tools.